Hello, David Martelli here. I want to take a few moments to tell you a little bit about Martelli Enterprises. Martelli Enterprises is a small family business that sells on a national level. I want to talk just for a moment about a few groups that we have. The first group that we have is the Martelli Quilters Group. This is a place that you can go to learn about tips, tricks, and techniques. This is a place, no matter who you are, no matter what skill level you have, you can go join and feel very comfortable in doing so. You can join this group simply by going to Facebook and typing in the Martelli Quilters Group. I also want to take a minute to talk about YouTube. Martelli has a YouTube channel that's called Martelli Notions. Now when you go to Martelli Notions, it shows you lots of videos that's impressive about the Martelli products and also learning. Please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That's very important because that will inform you of all the new videos that Martelli puts out. And the last thing that I want to share with you is our Facebook Live sale events. These events are done on our main Martelli Facebook page. This is a place where we all come together and we have lots and lots of fun. We put together product bundles from some of the top designers in the business. Not only do we do fabric bundles, but we also do Martelli bundles. So I want to invite you to come join us every single Thursday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time on our main Martelli Facebook page. Again, this is Dave Martelli, and please remember, from my family to yours and from the entire Martelli company, we want to say thank you. We appreciate and love each and every one of you.